Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about jewelries. We all wear jewelries, and we all know that our look is not complete without a piece of jewelry, whether it's ethnic look or ethnic dress or casual or formal, whatever. You need some piece of jewelry to accompany those dresses. So today's video is dedicated to bling bag. Yeah, Bling Bag. I hope and I know you all know that Bling Bag is a monthly subscription box, monthly jewelry subscription box, and they have really great collection of all kinds of jewelries, whether it's it's heavy Kundan set or dainty pieces of formal jewelry pieces like earrings and chains and necklaces or pendants. They have a huge variety of jewelries with them. So I'm not going to be reviewing the bling bag for you. I'm going to be showing you the pieces that I got from them, and I will be showing you how I styled them. Bling Bag offers premium quality and unique Bollywood design to keep your style statement trendy and high. They have a wide variety of ethnic and Western jewelries, and they are really premium in quality. And Bling Bag ships worldwide, and they have various payment mode if you are looking for COD, or if you can pay, or if you will pay online. They have all modes of payment. This earring is from their Amore collection. It's their newly launched collection, and it's very elegant. As you can see, it looks so sophisticated, and it's an apt wear for everyday or work or anything. It's so lightweight, and it's so classy. It looks very classy. This is a gorgeous Kundan choker set. It comes with some pearls, like pearl, strings that covers the circles, and it sits on the neck so beautifully, and it looks so elegant. I tell you, as you can see, it's looking absolutely gorgeous, and it's very lightweight, and it's very comfortable to wear on. It has a tassel at the back, so you can tie it according to your neck size. This is a Bollywood inspired designer jhumki. It is a statement jewelry, like statement jhumki, yet lightweight. It has an additional clip at the back to secure it more tightly, and it has more than 50 colors to choose from. And look how gorgeous it's looking. Like it is completing the whole look. I don't even need a necklace to complete this look. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. I have an additional 10% discount coupon code. If you are interested, I will have it into the description. Please check it out. All the jewelries that I have showed you are linked into the description box. If you are interested, you can go check them out, and I have individual links to the particular jewelry, so you don't have to search for the particular jewelry that you are looking for. So yeah, that was my video, or that was my look video of bling bag jewelry pieces, and I hope you liked this video. Do let me know what you think about it, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.